but I would say it here. But you are going to make sure that a woman is the deputy of your dream.
Thank you very much. Yeah. I mean, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, let me start by congratulating my sister for attaining the age of 60 years. I'm so happy that I'm here. And going by the quality and people I have seen here to celebrate with my sister, I believe this is her true reflection. I've seen people cutting across the parties. I've seen people coming to this place from almost all parts of Nigeria. I want to say, leader, congratulations. And I believe more than any other time that you are a great leader, not only in the House, but of course in the politics of this country. Let me, at this point, on behalf of my humble self, members of my entourage, congratulate you and wish you well, and wish you more years of good health and more years of achievements in this country. Thank you and God bless you.